Hello, welcome to Passionately Intrigued Arts, and this is Tracy. I bought a set of earrings and necklace from a resale shop. This is the before of the earrings. This next picture shows you the difference. And then we have the after of the back, coming up with the after of the front. Then the necklace showing the before of the front, and shortly coming the before of the back. Now I will show you transformation of the necklace, the after of the front, and then the after of the back of the necklace. Now stay tuned for the grand finale, and up and coming is the completed transformation of the earring and necklace set, all using painter's markers in metallic silver. Thank you for watching, much appreciated.